Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to replace pool timer. Check it out. Okay, we're going to show you real quick how to replace this timer. This one typically will run your pool cleaner, the sweep. So make sure the main power is off. You can check it with your voltmeter to make sure you have no power across there. But these two terminals, number would be 2 and 4, that's your power in. 3 and 5 is your power out back to the cleaner. So this mechanism has a little locking thing at the top. You just push up and pull out, and it'll bring it out where you can take it, pop it back in. Just line it up the tab, slide the bottom in, and it'll snap in place. So, and you'll see one more thing on this one. The clock that runs the wheel gets its power down here on the main terminal. This is your main power in from the breaker, and it branches off here and goes to the freeze protection and whatnot. But you'll have to plug in the 2 white wires to these bottom 2 lugs, and that will run the 240 volt motor that runs the timer. So take these 4 wires off, then these 2, pop the new timer in, put these 2 back on, then these 4, and you'll be good to go.